flaxseed gel is supposed to be the natural hair miracle product. People online claim it can help with growth, reducing breakage, moisture, shine, basically everything except paying your bills. And listen, as someone who loves wellness and natural beauty stuff, I had to know, is this really worth it or is it just online hype? So for the last 4 weeks, I've been using flaxseed gel on my hair as a pre-poo on wash day. I tracked my growth, I paid attention to my hair's manageability, and I'm here to share my results with you guys. I'm also going to show you guys exactly how I made the flaxseed gel and how I applied it to my hair. So let's get into it. So to make the flaxseed gel, all you need is a 1/4 cup of whole flax seeds in 2 cups of water. Add that to a pot, letting it come to a boil, so around 5 minutes. Then you're gonna want to strain the flax seeds into a bowl or a jar while it's still hot and let it cool. If you let it cool and then try to strain it, it's gonna be very difficult because the water thickens up very quickly. Once it's cooled down enough, you'll have a gel like this. It looks like snot, but it feels fine, like regular hair gel. Now I'm going to apply it to my hair. I already have some coconut oil in my hair, so that's why it looks a little greasy. That's typically what I do on wash day. I'll just add some type of oil to my hair and kind of go about my business, work out, whatever, while the oil is on my hair. So I parted my hair into 4 sections, and then I'm going to work the gel into my hair from root to tip, section by section. I'm actually standing in my bathtub while I'm recording this, and I have like my little tray table with the bowl of gel on it. So I was strategically aiming my head above the bowl so that if the gel dropped off me, it would drop back into the bowl or at least onto the tray table. But yeah, like as you can see, it's literally the consistency of a regular hair gel, and it just sticks to your hair and keeps it in place. I have seen that people actually use this all natural flaxseed gel as like a wash and go gel. I might have to try that. But yeah, I just did my whole head, and then I went back and used any extra that I had to make sure I got all of my roots. So once my hair was completely covered and combed through, I let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then I washed my hair like I usually do. Shampoo, conditioner, done. After washing it out, I put in my leave-in conditioner and blew it out, and week by week, I tracked how long my hair was by putting that little blue mark on my shirt. So I documented week 1, week 2. I skipped week 3 because I felt like there wasn't that much of a change. And then I recorded week 4. And I still don't feel like there was a significant amount of hair growth, but y'all let me know what you see. You might see something different. Final verdict. I can definitely say that my hair feels softer, it looks shinier, and overall it feels healthier. Now, do I feel like I should be in a shampoo commercial? Probably not, but I did notice a difference, and I'm probably gonna keep it in my routine. It's just something easy that you can add to your routine without doing too much, because wash day is already long enough, and I love that for us. So let me know in the comments, have you tried flaxseed gel? How did it work for your hair? Is it something that you do regularly? I'd love to hear about it, and so would everybody else. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you like videos like this, because I definitely want to do more. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one.